Ready to ditch robotic voices and breathe life into your scripts? Let's dive into ElevenLabs and transform your text into captivating audio in under 2 minutes. First, head to ElevenLabs.io and sign up for a free account. The free tier gives you enough characters to really get a feel for the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the speech synthesis page. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a text box where you can paste or type in your script. Keep in mind the character limit for your chosen subscription plan. Now for the voice, click the drop-down menu to explore a wide range of AI voices. ElevenLabs offers a diverse selection, from realistic human-like voices to more stylized and character-driven options. Take your time to find the perfect voice that matches your content and desired tone. Fine-tune your audio by adjusting the voice settings. Experiment with stability to control the consistency of the voice and clarity to sharpen the pronunciation. These subtle tweaks can make a huge difference in the final output. Happy with your text and voice settings? Hit that big green generate button. ElevenLabs will process your request and create your audio file in just a few seconds. Once generated, you can preview your audio directly in the platform. If you're satisfied, simply click the download button to save the audio file to your computer. It's usually downloaded as an MP3 file. Now integrate your newly created audio into your videos, podcasts, or any other projects. ElevenLabs makes it incredibly easy to create professional sound voiceovers in minutes. Start experimenting and bring your words to life.